Okay. So supposedly our meeting will be 8:30. Okay, but I mistakenly put 7:30, so that is why we're going to meet right now at 7:30 p.m. So panindigan na lang natin. Okay, anyway, you guys are here. You guys were able to attend. And yeah, that's already a good count of participants. Six of you guys were here. Well, the others, we'll just watch the recorded video meeting later on. So yeah, for today's meeting, of course, will be a consultation meeting. So before I proceed to your last laboratory, which is the lab number 5, does anyone has a question so far from lab 1 to lab number 4? Questions? Point clarification?
Sir, yung sa lab number 4, ano po yung ano, yung like correct answer doon sa ano, yung sa first part?
Correct answer to first part. So I can show this one to you guys since this is already a bonus. Since I forgot to change the voltage source from 10 to 0.5. Okay. So here are the correct answers from number 1 up to the last. So what number is that? Just check mo na lang siguro. So here are the values. Were you able to find the one that you are looking for?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, now is it okay now?
Yes po, sir. Okay na po.
And yeah, this is just the part 1. I think I wasn't able to put here the questions for the part 2 since that is for the method face to face. And yeah, anyway, all of you got a score of 100% since again I made this one in once. All right. So for anyway, before we proceed to your exam schedule, let us proceed now to the week 5 and 6. So in here we only have one remaining laboratory, which is the Maxwell's loop current method. So in here, this only has simple questions. Yeah, as you guys can see, we only have 2 questions. So here is the circuit. So all you need to do is do this one on the LT spice. So here are the questions for the number 1. So just calculate the I1 in milliamps, calculate the I2 in milliamps, and then for the number 2, just give me the solve it using this one is using the LT spice. Measure this one is supposed to be the measure it on the LT spice, and then get the I1 and I2. And then here you need to use the Maxwell's loop mesh current method. So here is the manual computation. And then of course, all to do is compare if you were able to get the same value or not. And then that's all. Just give a short conclusion from number 1 to number 2. So are we clear so far regarding with this one?
Wala po, sir.
So this is just a very simple laboratory. Only 2 numbers. Well, actually, only one. Okay. So the other one, all you need to do is put everything on the LT spice and then measure that one effortlessly. And then the other one, this is where you're going to apply whatever you guys have learned in Maxwell Loop mesh current method. And of course, we have one case study, okay, which will be also due on June 14th. So you guys have 1 week from now to finish the lab number 5 and case study number 3. Anyway, this is just a very easy laboratory. And regarding with your exam, so what I did put here is June 16, 2022. This is actually Thursday. So I'm not sure yet if this is the correct date. So let me show this one to you guys. These are your examination date, June 16, 17, and then 21. So of course for Monday, I think Monday, Tuesday is 21. Wednesday and Thursday is 16, and then Friday and Saturday schedule are 17. But since our subject is only Tuesday, I cannot put that one on 21 also because you're going to have your exam on lecture on 21. Okay, that is electrical circuits lecture. So that is why we're going to have a conflict schedule if I will put June 21 also. So what I did is I set your exam on Thursday, which is June 16. So do you guys have any other exams? Supposed to have exams on Thursday, June 16.
Sa akin wala naman po, sir. Hindi ko lang po alam sa iba.
Let me know as soon as possible because if there is, maybe we don't have any other choice but to transfer or set your midterm exam on June 14 next week. We'll just have an advance examination date because we might have a conflicting schedule because I think Wednesday, Thursday classes will be on June 16. So maybe none for now for you guys. Well, anyway, to those who will be able to watch this one later on, this recorded Zoom meeting, let me guys know. Just message me as soon as possible so that I can announce and then I can set the your midterm exam on June 14th, set up June 16th. So of course, this will start from 7:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Anyway, that is all I need to say right now. If there is an additional one, then I'll just announce it. Okay. For your a limited face-to-face class, so examination week, maybe we'll meet on June 28th. June 28th and July 12 probably to finish your one laboratory for limited face-to-face. So we'll see. See, because I've only prepared one laboratory for your finals in limited face-to-face, and then we have three online laboratories before your final exam. Till determining student, lab number 8. Okay, so that is all that I want to say for today's meeting. So are we clear so far? Does anyone has a question or clarification?
Wala naman po, sir.
Then that's already it. If you guys don't have any other questions or clarifications anymore, you guys may now go. As always, thank you guys for coming. A blessed day to all of you and happy breakfast.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you and goodbye. Thank you too and goodbye.